we're going to walk through the process for using eSLA to schedule and submit a petition for variance. So you'll log into eSLA via the customer portal, which will take you to your dashboard. And from your dashboard, you will select a new application. And program area will be plan reviews. Program area will be commercial buildings. Permit type plan review will be petition for variance. Application type will be plan review. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll just leave it at County of Adams. Actually, we'll change that to Ashland County, City of Ashland. Application instructions will provide some important instructions and terms and definitions, so you want to read through those before saving and continuing. This will give you an opportunity to connect this petition for variance to an existing plan review record by entering either the plan review number, the eSLA DIS, or CB number if one has been issued. For the purposes of this demonstration, we don't have an associated existing transaction to link to, so I'm just going to click continue. We'll enter our business information, which for me is already populated. Confirm the mailing address. Confirm the public address. And save and continue. Which brings us to our project in site, where we'll add our affiliates. So we'll click here, search by email. Let's say Tester Westland is the designer and supervising professional. Add individual. So we'll say eSLA Tester is the owner. And we'll save those, which will bring us down to the project and site where we can add a site. This you can search by the name of the site if you know what it is. Otherwise, if there's not an existing site created, we'll create a new site, which is what we'll do for this demonstration. For this, call it the Ashland So you just enter in the project site specific address and locations. Click Save. And then save and continue. This will ask you to answer some questions that are specific to the petition for variance. The first field being the code or code sections that are being petitioned. For the purposes of this, I'm going to say it's the IBC 903.2.11.1. And the second field is a field in which you can describe why the petition for variance is required. For this, I'm just going to put test text. State my proposed means and rationale of providing equivalent degree of health, safety, and welfare as addressed in the code. Again, for this, you can include any information that's specific to your project. For this, I'm just going to put test text. Do I want to include any attachments to be considered as part of the petitioner's statements? For this, I will say yes. I'm going to attach some supporting documentation. If you exceed the 255 character limit of the fields above, you will be able to attach documents that fully address these questions and any other questions or concerns that may arise or that you feel is important for the department to have when they're evaluating your petition for variance. The next few questions will pertain to which administrative codes and program areas the petition pertains to. So this petition is building specific. It does fall within the SPS 361 through 366, so I'll select yes here. It does not address the following, so I'll say no to both of these. And there's a field here in which you can provide additional comments that you feel are important for DSPS staff to have for this. So I'll just enter NA, click Save and Continue. Supporting petition documents. These will give you the opportunity to add your supporting documents and your position statements. So I'm going to add attachments here, which will open up the browser, which allows you to select your files and upload them into a Bluebeam Studio folder. So I'll click this, Browse. I have Petition for Variance Test that I'm going to use. Select that, select Upload, and you'll see that it's been successfully uploaded. Close that window. And then Fire Department Position Statement, I'll click Attach. I'll browse to that file location, and I have a Position Statement Test, which I will select and upload. You can see that that file has been successfully uploaded. You can close that window and save and continue. This is an attestation that you can send to electronic signatures, which I will accept, and I will sign that. And I do wish to submit my application at this time. If there was a reason that you would want to stop the submission process at this time, you can click Save and Finish later. It will save the entries that you've made to this point and be available in your dashboard to submit at a later time. For this purpose, I will click Submit. Which brings me to my cart where I can elect to pay my fees. I'm going to pay not that fee. You can see that my Ashland County Highway Department petition for the amount of $550 is selected. So I'm going to click Continue. Continue. And this brings you to a third-party payment processing page where you enter all your payment details. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to select credit debit card. You can also pay by an electronic checking or savings account, ATM card, or your credit card. Verify your billing information, click Confirm, and it generates a payment receipt, which you can print out and save for your records. Click Continue, and this will bring you back to your dashboard. That is the extent of scheduling a petition for variance. You can see that it populates in the new plan review applications, commercial petition for variance for the Ashland County Highway Department with our new DIS number here, which you will want to keep for your records.